Hello students, welcome you all. Today you are going to listen a very interesting story about a girl's success facing many challenges in life for being a handicapped. Yes, you are right. I'm talking about the part 1 of your chapter 2 of the main course book Beehive in your syllabus. The story is about Evelyn Glennie, and the name of this chapter is The Sound of Music, and its part 1 is Evelyn Glennie listens to sound without hearing it, and it is written by Deborah Cowley. Evelyn Glennie, a deaf musician. Yes, we can be surprised how a deaf or person with hearing disability who cannot hear by ear can play music or be a great musician. But Evelyn has proved herself. The story starts in a way that it was a place of metro station where there is much crowd, and a girl of 17 years was waiting to catch the metro for reaching the Royal Academy of Music in London. It was a very great or memorable day for her as she was going to perform over there. And after that, it tells about, or the story describes about, Evelyn Glennie's struggle for becoming a musician. From her childhood or from her birth, Evelyn didn't have the hearing problem. She could hear till the age of 11. Yes, till the age of 11 she could hear. It was first noticed by her mother when she was 8 years old. Evelyn was waiting to play or perform piano playing, but when her mother was calling her, she didn't respond. Later, she told that she was not able to hear. That means she didn't hear when her mother called her. Gradually, Evelyn started to lose her hearing ability, but somehow she was trying to hide it from others, from his friends and teachers or neighbors. She was trying to conceal this disability. Afterwards, at the age of 11, when she was taken to the doctor, after examining her, told that due to the nervous damage, her hearing ability was totally deteriorated. Evelyn's parents were shocked, and the doctor also advised that she should be sent to a special school for the deaf people, and she should use hearing aids, जो कान में सुनने के लिए इंस्ट्रूमेंट लगाया जाता है, जो हेल्प करते हैं डेफ पीपल को सुनने के लिए. But Evelyn was much determined. She thought that she would lead a normal life, and she also decided that she would just take or continue her interest in music. When she first observed another child who was playing xylophone and a musical instrument named xylophone, Evelyn also wanted to learn how to play it, but the teachers denied. But one percussionist Percussionist means a person who can play the drum, tabla, and these kinds of instrument. Ron Forbes. He understood Evelyn's capability or ability. He didn't discourage Evelyn, rather taught her not to hear by ear only, but to feel the music through the other senses or other part of the body. And suddenly Evelyn started to feel the music of drum or vibration while drum is beating or is was beaten by Mr. Ron. Evelyn started to feel the vibration through her body. The upper part of her body, from the waist, the upper part of her body could feel the high tone, and the lower part would feel the lower tone. This was the surprising ability of Evelyn, and she was much determined to continue this. At the age of 16, she was a member of an orchestra which had a tour throughout the United Kingdom. After that, she also gave the audition for taking admission in Royal Academy of Music in London and scored the highest mark in the history of Royal Academy. After completing her 3 years course, she proved herself as one of the top musician or learner at Royal Academy of Music. After that, she performed in many orchestra, and gradually she also performed as a solo performer. She got the chance to perform solo or alone on the stage, being a deaf. So this was the determination of Evelyn. In 1991, Evelyn also was awarded one of the prestigious awards named Soloist of the Year by the Royal Philharmonic Society. This was one of the prestigious award for the solo performer. So Evelyn's journey had never stopped by the barrier of her hearing disability. She was also able to play more than 1,000 instruments. She was master in those. And she is still now continuing her performance. When the narrator met her, she was not like other deaf person. She could realize or she could just hear or understand every word told by the narrator. Evelyn also tells that she can hear or she can hear means she can feel the sound by the vibration, and she can speak clearly because she was able to hear up to the age of 11. But the narrator is also surprised how she had learned French and basic Japanese. So, children, this is a story of determination. A girl who is deaf becoming a famous musician who can play more than 1,000 musical instruments, who can perform solo on the stage without hearing. She can perform very fluently every musical instrument. So this is a challenge for all who are capable, and she is an example for other handicapped people. Now Evelyn does not only do the concert throughout the world, she also do concert for the people who are in jail or who are disabled or handicapped. So she become an ambassador or an ideal for those who are disabled somehow for their physical disability. And we also should learn from Evelyn Glennie. We also should be determined like her to achieve success in our life.